How to check your balance on a vanilla gift card. Open your browser and type www.myvanillagiftcard.com in the search bar. Wait for the page to load. Click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your vanilla gift card details, such as username and password as shown in the steps, and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, it will take you to your gift card's account page. Then, you'll see options like Shop Gift Cards, Check Your Balance, and more. Click on Check Your Balance to proceed. Your balance summary will be displayed, showing details like the date, description, and current balance. Take a moment to review all the information about your gift card balance. And that's it. You now know how to check your vanilla gift card balance with ease. Thanks for watching.